in the world, and we will help the patients. Okay, patient doesn't have a proper visual acuity, so amblyopia cannot only hamper. There is a lot of myth related to amblyopia. So lot of people they just know that amblyopia is just a condition in which the patient have a poor visual acuity in one eye, or either our depth of perceptions. It can hamper our accommodation ability. It can affect your motion ability. It can affect your eye movement. It can affect your contact sensitivity. It can affect your color visions. So there are a lot of functional reasons are associated with amblyopia. So if we are thinking that amblyopia can only affect the visual acuity, that is totally myth. Amblyopia, so the first thing which you have to very much you have to clear about your thought that amblyopia.
All the way from Gurugram, Amity University. We will talk about the binocular vision. It's one of the specialty of optometry, which deals with several, binocular anomalies and its treatment. We will talk about the importance of binocular vision. Then in today's world, everyone is shifting towards the digitalization. As the digital work is increasing, also credit management. In this type of patient, especially the binocular anomaly patient, even the hospital used to refer the patient to the optometrist. So you can imagine what is the importance of optometrist. So thank you, sir.